Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, hold your power button, ignore any kind of pop-ups like this one that show up, and when you have this page open with the boot options, you can then let go and choose power off twice. This turns off the phone. And from here, you want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. The device should start to boot up in a moment. There we go. Continue holding it. When HUAWEI logo disappears, you can let go of both of these buttons. There we go. Now this takes us to the recovery mode, so from here you want to select clear data and then select wipe cache partition. As you can see, it's a very quick process, so now we're just going to click on back and then restart, and this will boot us back into the HarmonyOS. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.